Pour 3 limes with Coca-Cola. Prepare a bowl and pour in a whole bottle of Coca-Cola. The phosphoric acid in Coca-Cola helps dissolve dirt and grease. Then cut the lime in half and squeeze the juice into the bowl, which has antibacterial properties and removes unpleasant odors. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda, which neutralizes acids and helps fight stubborn residues. Next, add 1 tablespoon of salt. The salt crystals act as a gentle abrasive to help remove tough stains. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of any dish soap, which further breaks down grease and enhances the effectiveness of the mixture. Stir everything to combine the ingredients. Pour the mixture into a plastic bottle using a funnel. This is a great way to clean burnt pots and other cookware. Thanks to this mixture, washing has become much easier. It cuts cleaning time in half. In my family, no one uses regular dish soap anymore. Pour Coca-Cola over soap for a genius cleaning hack. First, grate a bar of soap and place it in a pot. Add 300 milliliters of Coca-Cola to cover the soap shavings. In a glass, dissolve a tablespoon of baking soda in water. It's a quick and proven method. Then add it to the pot with the soap and Coca-Cola. Cook the mixture over low heat. It will start to foam, which means it's ready. Once the mixture reduces by half, transfer it to containers and seal them tightly. Let it set for a few hours. Once solid, use it to restore your favorite pots. Just rub the mixture onto a sponge and wipe the pot. This formula is gentle on non-stick surfaces and works like magic. You'll be amazed at how easily it removes tough stains and grime. Plus, it's an eco-friendly solution that saves you money on commercial cleaners. Take some Coca-Cola and toothpaste. Watch what I'll do with them. Grab a roll of paper towels and start tearing off pieces. Fold those pieces and place them on the surface of the toilet bowl. Line the entire inside, ensuring the towels stick to the bowl and don't fall into the water. Now take the Coca-Cola. Open it, but don't drink it. Pour the Coca-Cola over the paper towels inside the bowl. Set a timer for 10 minutes. Once the time is up, come back and remove the dirty paper. Now scrub the bowl with a toilet brush. Coca-Cola contains phosphoric and carbonic acids, which help dissolve limescale, rust, and other grime. For an extra shine and freshness, squeeze some toothpaste directly onto the bowl and scrub again. The toothpaste not only brightens the surface, but also leaves a pleasant scent. Enjoy a sparkling, clean, and fresh-smelling toilet with this simple method. Mix Vaseline with Coca-Cola. You'll see how wonderful it can be. You'd never think these ingredients could be mixed together. I'll show you how to make your favorite everyday product. It doesn't contain any chemicals. Take a small bowl and add 1 teaspoon of Vaseline. Take half a teaspoon of coconut oil and add it to the bowl. Take a larger bowl and turn it into a steam bath. Place the small bowl in it and pour hot water over it. Cover it with a plate and leave it for 10 minutes. We need to let our ingredients dissolve well. After waiting those few minutes, remove the plate. You can easily mix the Vaseline with the coconut oil now. You probably have some lipstick residue in your favorite color. Apply its remnants to the bowl. If you like experiments, you can add another one in a different color. Mix the lipsticks with the contents of the bowl. Get the Coca-Cola ready. Add 2 teaspoons to the Vaseline mixture. Mix everything again. Once the mixture has become uniform, you can transfer it to a small jar. Wondering what smells so nice and has a great color? That's your new lipstick. It looks beautiful and wonderfully moisturizes your lips. Pour Coca-Cola on your car wheel. Taking care of your wheels helps them maintain their properties and serve you longer. Usually, apart from changing tires, you don't spend much time on them. That's why you should try this trick. First, take a plastic container. Then pour 200 milliliters of Coca-Cola into it. Thanks to phosphoric acid, one of its ingredients, it does an excellent job of removing dirt, grease, and light rust. Next, add 2 tablespoons of black dye. Mix these 2 ingredients thoroughly using a brush, which you'll also need to apply the mixture to your wheels. Now, apply it to your wheels. Coat both the tires and rims with this mixture. Some might think it's pointless since tires are constantly exposed to road dust and will get dirty anyway. That's true, but this homemade protective solution shields the tires from dirt and streaks, and the effect of shiny black tires lasts for several weeks. Pour Coca-Cola over an avocado. I'll show you how to create a product that could become your favorite daily remedy. Start with an avocado, which has amazing health benefits. You don't need to spend a fortune on expensive medications when you have this miraculous fruit at home. Everyone knows the avocado seed is the most valuable part, containing over 70% of the antioxidants found in the fruit. Remove the seed and don't throw it away. Peel off the skin. It should come off easily if the avocado is very ripe. Cut the seed into smaller pieces. If the fruit is less ripe, the seed will be harder. Place the cut pieces in a diffuser bottle and cover them with Coca-Cola. Let it sit for at least a day. Use it on painful areas and joints. Regular use of this mixture can provide pain relief and improve your daily comfort. Try this simple method and see how natural ingredients can support your health. Mix cola with vinegar. It will gain extraordinary properties. These products combined are extraordinary. The mixture of these two ingredients is very useful. The most important thing is the correct proportions. Then the mixture will be perfect. Take a container and pour 200 milliliters of Coca-Cola into it. Cola often doesn't taste good when it sits longer or when it's warm, so if you have leftover cola to pour out, use it for this trick. Add 100 milliliters of vinegar to it. If you add another ingredient, the mixture will be even better. Just add 2 teaspoons of salt. Salt will enhance the action of vinegar and cola. The liquid will fizz slightly. Finally, add some dishwashing liquid. Stir everything to mix the ingredients. Make a hole in the cap of an empty bottle. You can use a drill for this, or you can burn a hole with a hot stick. This is a super strong liquid. It is perfect for cleaning and scrubbing tough stains. It cleans metal pots perfectly. It removes food residues from dishes. It kills bacteria and germs. Phosphoric acid and acetic acid have extraordinary cleaning properties. All this makes the liquid perfect for cleaning even the toilet. Just pour the liquid into the toilet and scrub it. This liquid is multifunctional. Keep it handy and use it for cleaning as often as possible. You won't want to use other products anymore. Combine Coca-Cola with avocado. Though it sounds strange, it really works. You'll never throw away avocado pits again. If you enjoy this fruit, you'll surely be delighted with its hidden uses. It turns out that the pit is just as valuable as its flesh. Cut out the pit and wash it in warm water. It can even be boiling water, as it helps remove the skin. Peel the pit with a knife, removing the first layer. Then, dice it. Avocado pits contain up to 70% more antioxidants than the fruit itself. These powerful antioxidants support collagen rebuilding, which repairs cell structure. The pit may change color after cutting. Don't worry, this is normal. Prepare a spray bottle. Place the diced pit inside, then, using a funnel, pour Coca-Cola into it. This beverage originated as a medicine and was once sold in pharmacies. Today, many people use it for purposes other than drinking. It contains many active substances. This homemade remedy is effective for sore elbow and knee joints. It prevents swelling and promotes circulation. Just spray and massage into the skin.